Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So recently there's been a lot of buzz going on about these TWS from Lypertech in the audiophile community. Like a lot of people are praising them about the sound and some of you guys have also commented and asked me to review them. So I finally decided to get them and see if they really live up to their hype. These are Lypertech's new Tevi audiophile grade TWS earbuds that come with a reasonable price tag. They offer a lot of features, but the main thing is they produce a balanced and very natural like sound. That is something we'll have to see in this video. These are BT 5.0 earbuds, support aptX codec, and are IPX7 rated water resistant. And going to the backside, we've got all of its features and highlights mentioned. Let me tell you, as I've told you just now, these are premium grade TWS that come with a high performance graphene driver, and the brand says that these offer a battery life of up to 70 hours on a single charge. Alright, that's pretty much it about the box. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. These TWS come in two different colors, black and ivory white. We have the black color variant. But to be honest, these sorta look like a black and grey color combo. Let me take them out of the box and show you. Oh, they're actually quite tiny and feel pretty lightweight in the hand. So this is how the Lypertech Tevi TWS look like. Before we check them out in detail, let me also show you the case. Here it is. The charging case has a premium fabric finishing and looks very decent. Along with that, you get a USB Type-C charging cable, a pack of extra ear tips in different sizes, and a quick start guide. Make sure to read that for all the info. Well, that's it. These were all the stuff we got in the box. Now let's finally check out the product, the Lypertech Tevi. Initial impressions, the TWS are very small in size and also quite lightweight in the hand. If you ask about the build quality looks decent. There's a multi-function button at the top on both of them with tiny status LED indicators at the center. And the whole body is made of plastic with a matte black finishing. We've got some charging contacts on the bottom side and the quality of the ear tips used is also good. So that was our overview on the TWS. Now let me just put them aside and show you the case. I like the case more than the TWS in terms of looks. It looks very stylish and attractive in this ash grey color. The body is made of plastic which is covered in a high quality fabric finishing, has the Lypertech logo at the center, and going to the front there's a battery level indicator, a Type-C port for charging on the other side, and also has a string attached to the side. It's a magnetic charging case guys, so as soon as you bring the earbuds close, they automatically fit in the slots and start charging. And on the top side is where you got some info regarding the product. Well, that's it. That was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll power them on, pair them with my phone, and tell you about the comfort and the sound quality. The Lypertech Tevi are quite lightweight and feel very comfortable to wear for long time usage. The noise isolation was nice, and the good part is they're also IPX7 rated water resistant, so they are great even while working out or doing sport activities. Now coming to the sound, wow, I have to say I was quite impressed with the sound. Before I say anything, let me tell you that these are an audiophile grade product that produce sound the way the music was meant to be listened. That means there is no sort of EQ tuning done and the music feels very natural on them. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocals had a nice warm feel, and the high frequency response was silky smooth. It had a frequency response range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and the sound stage was also well defined. You could hear all the minute instrumental details in the music. Now coming to the bass was decent. See, it was not like super punchy or something like that. It was producing just the right amount of bass needed. Let me tell you clearly that if you're a bass lover, then you'll not find that super punchy and deep bass you're looking for. These were not meant for that in the first place. The Tevi tend to produce a natural sound curve and sounded pretty close to my Audio Technica's M50X. The distortion also minimum at 95% volume level and the audio output is also satisfactory. Not to forget, they also have a built-in microphone as well, and the mic quality was decent during call conversations. The other person could easily understand what I was speaking. So before I wrap it up, let me tell you about the battery life. The battery life is crazy good on them. On an average at 75% volume level, I was getting around like 7.5 to 8 hours of music playtime. And the case also has a built-in battery that can charge the buds 7 to 8 times, giving you a total usage time of around 55 to 60 hours, which is pretty awesome. And the best part yet to tell is they even support quick charging feature. A 15-minute charge offers you around 2 hours of music playtime. Well, that was my review on the Lypertech Tevi. They're very good TWS for the price. If you are looking for a TWS with small size, good comfortable fit, great sound with a flat frequency response, and awesome battery life, then this is what you might want to consider. But one thing I'd like to mention is I found some slight delay and latency while playing games using this TWS. Apart from that, rest everything else was fine. They cost around 6,999 rupees in India and are available on Headphone Zone website. I'll just leave a link to their website in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.